Welcome to Belly Breath. As we near the end of another year, let's take a few moments to honor the journey, reflect on our experiences, and find peace with all that has passed. Settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and gently turn your attention inward. Begin by acknowledging the abundance life has brought this year. Let's take a moment to appreciate all the gifts and blessings that have come our way. The moments of joy, the successes, and the simple, beautiful experiences that made us feel alive. Now, let's reflect on the challenges we faced. Each setback holds a lesson, a point of growth and strength. Recognizing the hard moments and choosing to see them as stepping stones, we can release any tension they left behind, letting go of what no longer serves us. Breathe in deeply, allowing the air to fill you with calm. Exhale, and feel the weight of the past easing away. As you continue breathing deeply, sense yourself becoming lighter, releasing anything that might hold you back. In this quiet moment, allow yourself to fully accept where you are right now. Trust that everything is just as it should be, and that you are exactly where you need to be. Feel a warm glow beginning within, like a gentle flicker of light deep in your core. This light grows, filling you with a sense of peace and purpose. Let it radiate outward, embracing yourself and the world with openness and calm. Now, as we close, remind yourself that you are open to whatever awaits in the new year, ready to embrace all it may bring. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to support more content like this. Your presence here means a lot.